KDP Hardcover Template Bundle. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Beat and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books and Etsy with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So today I'm actually reviewing some templates that Sue at Createful Journals has created just for the hardcover books. Now what you actually get with this is 70 easy to edit PowerPoint templates formatted for the hardcover. They do come in the 5 sizes for the hardcovers that's currently out at the moment. There's also 5 different sizes of covers in PowerPoint for the common page length size or the most popular page length size. There's also some Photoshop cover templates as well. Again, 5 of those in the most popular size. There's also some textured colored paper, 52 of those. And there's 3 examples of covers that you may wish to use. I do suggest you don't. Change them up a bit, make them unique, make them your own. There's also a cheat sheet for easy access. There's also a training video on how to reuse PowerPoint slides. It is aimed at people that are using Microsoft on the Windows machine, but you can do all the same things on a Mac if you're using PowerPoint as well. And PowerPoint templates can also be opened in Keynote, and you can also download and open these templates on your iPad if you've got Photoshop PowerPoint on your iPad as well. So what it shows you here is easily to add hardcover edition to you, and this is the sales page. I'll leave a link down in the description. You can also save $20 until October the 5th, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the coupon code to save $20 is KDP. Again, I'll leave that in the description as well, so you can check out what is there. I'm going to actually show you this because I've actually purchased this to be used. So there's the undated weekly planners, weekday appointments as well. So people like hardcover books to keep in appointments, they like them for guest planners, and there is also guest planners in here. Habit trackers as well. So address book you could be creating, all again in all the different sizes, and there's different sorts of things that you can be putting there, but I will show you that. And there's an example of the pages, and also there are these 52 graphic elements that you can go in and put inside or on the pages to make them more unique. There's the colored texture papers that you can be using for your covers. So this is an example of what you get for Photoshop and PDF, and also the correct sizes, so you don't have to go into Amazon to go and work out all the sizes and everything like that. So there's all that. So this is inside here in your members area, and as you can see, I've purchased that there, and this is all the different things that you get. So you get the hardcover interior files. You also get one interior blank file, which you can then connect your reuse files, and then you can go in and keep changing different things. And then there's all the different things that they've told you about. Easily add an hardcover edition for your paperbacks, and there's the cheat sheet. So as you can see, there's different things. So I'm just going to open up PowerPoint here. I'm also, so this is the PowerPoint, this is the different slides. I've opened it up for the 6x9. As you can see, there's all the different ones here. If I go and open a new one, so as you can see, I've downloaded all the graphic elements. There's all sorts of different things I can be using. Hardcovers as well. So I've got a sample here. It's in PowerPoint. As you can see, there's also the PSD. So this is the interior for the 8.25 by 11, which is the biggest size you can get for the hardcover. And as you can see, here's all the 70 templates, so you can go in, you can edit all the different text boxes, you can go and change your fonts to whatever fonts that you have installed that you can use commercially on your products on your books. So there's all sorts of different ones that you can go in and check out and see and change and make them unique. So there's all of that. Then there's also a cover sample. So that's a cover sample of an 80-page one by a 5.5 by 8.5 hardcover one as well. It's for a guest book as well. So you can change that, change it to the text that you want to match. But that's an example in PowerPoint. I create a lot of my covers in that as well. And there's also there's a cheat sheet as well, which I'll just drag across here. So this is the cheat sheet, and it explains all the different things that you need to know when you're coming across and doing your hardcover books. So there's all of that, and then the popular sizes is 80 pages, 150 pages, and I think this is 250 pages. So that is what you get with Sue's. Now let's use the template to make a book. If I wanted to choose, say, on the occasion of, or in the loving memory of, because I want a funeral remembrance book, what I would do is I would save a copy. So I'd save as, and then what I'd do is I'd rename it. So I'd probably just underscore it, and if I'm doing the funeral book, I would just do funeral. Again, you also need to do your research to make sure what your keywords and everything are. And then now I've saved that, it does say funeral up there. So what I can do is I can just delete the pages that I don't want. So easiest way of doing that is to go into slide sorter. And then from there, just select the pages that I don't want. Press delete, and it gets rid of all those different things. So I might get rid of that one as well. Change it to that. I'm going to keep that one. And everything else. Nice. And just literally keep that, and then start duplicating those pages there to how many I want. And that is how I would start creating that. Now you can also do this on the iPad. Some people haven't got a PC or a Mac to do their books. It is a lot harder. So this is the membership area opened up on iPad or Safari for iPad, and you just simply click or tap on one of the links to download the file. A download image pops up where you just click it, and then that will go down into a download folder. And from there you can just tap on the zip folder and it'll automatically open up your zip folder. From there you can then access any of the files, whether it be an image file that will then open up in a preview folder, or if you want to open up PowerPoint. Now you do need PowerPoint installed on your iPad. If you've got Office 365 already, then you'll be able to connect those two accounts and it'll already be there. I do believe you can purchase it separately. You can also open the Keynote from there as well, but this is just showing you the templates inside PowerPoint. Again, you can just tap into any of the text that you want to change and change it and add new fonts. So now in this example, I'm showing you using Keynote on iPad. I just held it down, got the sub menu up, tapped share, and then from there selected Keynote, which is free on your iPad. And then I opened the file up and there are some missing fonts. So you can use iFont app to add new fonts. And then from here, I'm just showing you an example of changing the title month to the month April, and then I just re-put it back. And again, you can go in and select all your different fonts and change them around. So it's just showing that this template can be used in both PowerPoint and Keynote on your iPad, as well as on your PC and on your Mac. So that's how I'd use those templates quickly and easily to start creating hardcover books. And this is a great way of doing it. The link will be down in the description for you to check out. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If there's any videos you'd like me to make a comment down there as well, and I'll start planning those videos out. And while you're at it, you can check out my playlist on creating different books in PowerPoint.